Hello guys, this video I'm doing it dedicated to my friend Paul Morioki. So I'm hoping today you will understand alignment. I want to teach you how to do wheel alignment using Hunter engineering machine. So this is the machine that we are going to use. So the first thing before we do anything else, we need to wear safety. This is my cape at the courtesy of Isuzu East Africa. I wear my cape, so then I will wear my gloves like that. Yeah, so after we have aligned our car on the clamp, so what we are going to do, we are going to consider safety. So this is for safety. This one, put it here. This is Isuzu pickup. Double cab RC8. So now we do a very simple process. I know you like it. It's very simple, be clean, so that you don't miss anything. Now that's the good height for me, so that I can be able to put the target. This one it is written and it has a drawing. This is for the right front wheel, and it also have a label here, right front. This one. Like this. So you make sure that it is at the center of the wheel. Like that. At least we try to focus on the target sensors. Then we do there. Make sure that it's at the center of the wheel, like that. So we go to the other side. Check the location, the position of the wheel. It's written left, front. Yeah, at the center like this. No, just it there. Very simple. So when you position your targets, now we lift.
Now you lift it to a desirable level where you can conveniently do the alignment.
I will pay you well. So you lift it at the desirable height. So let's lift it. So for me, I think this height is good. So I'll lift it up to here. I'll put this mark to help me. So now one is good. Then you also put other stoppers behind. This one. So you are ready to go. So now you come to your software, begin alignment. There. So you need to feed this area. So what you do, for this case, last name is East Africa. So company name is Isuzu East Africa RC8 because it's a double cab. Then this is lot. For lot 83, this is job 12. So this is the VIN. So this VIN now you have to read from the chassis. Let me show you where it is written. I don't know whether you are capturing it. VIN. For this one it's ACV DSC JR2K 41026 30.
Okay, 4102 630.
630. So this one, copyright, paste it here. So here you write the name of the technician, you write it, okay. Then come here, the color for this car is gun grey, yeah?
Yes, gun grey.
Gun grey. Then this car is for year 2019, and the odometer, because it's a new car, it's 1. You say okay. So then this is Isuzu, okay. D-Max, pickup, right. D-Cross, okay. High-Rail, yes. So these are the credentials. This one is okay. Then you continue. So you mount sensor. Already you have mounted sensor. Then we jack up the wheel and we do the composition. Then we say ready. So let us jack the wheel and we do our composition. You make sure that all wheels are floating so that you can be able to do compensation. That one is floating, so that level is okay. So now let's do compensation. We start with this wheel. The first thing is to remove. This pin like that. Then so now what we do, we say ready. So now what we are going to do, we are going to measure the caster. So we say okay. Then so let's go up there and we measure our caster. So now we take this one first. This is for the brake, then this one for positioning the steering. Before you do anything, you brake. You install this brake pedal. So brake pedal. You press the brake, then you install this like that. Right. Then you come. What you are going to do, you are going to rotate this steering in the direction given by the system. That center. Opposite direction. As the arrow shows you.
So after that we save before measurements, so to give us a difference before the initial and after measurement. So we have to save that. Then you click ready.
So now after you have saved, then now you set this steering. You make sure that this steering is straight. It's straight position like this. Make sure that it's straight. Then press this locator, and then you push. Press, then push like that. So your steering is stable. It will not waver. Then switch off. Then we go to do the adjustment. So now these are readings, the prior readings, the initial readings of that vehicle. So what we want to do, we want to adjust these angles until those wheels are aligned. So here we have camber, we have caster, we have toe. So we are going to work on 3 of them. So for camber, I'll show you something. The range for the camber on both sides is supposed to be between negative 0 degrees 30 minutes to 0 degrees 30 minutes. So caster is supposed to be between 2 degrees 35 minutes to 4 degrees 05 minutes. And the toe, we have said that it's supposed to be as closer to 0 as possible. So that's good. That it will give us the direction and it will guide us. So now what? Come here. Our camber marks. We open them. We open them. And after alignment, all these marks, they are supposed to be green. This is our caster. Then you see the diesel, our toe. This is our toe. Diesel. Same here. So now you come here. For visibility, you can use this graph like that, so that it is visible. You can also choose this wheel. You can choose this. So whichever you want. So for us, let's use both. We're going to do on our left hand, the camber, we are going to place it at negative 10 minutes. Our caster is going to be an average of 3 degrees 20 minutes. And the toe is going to be nearest to 0 as possible. So let's start with the left side. So now it's reading 27 minutes. So this one on the right, we will do adjustment. This, that caster. So now you can talk, you need to talk. So now, what we are going to do, we do verification again. So, you come here, verify. And you see. So now, this is good. If you go now, let's go and check our printout. Come here to the printout. So, to highlight, the steering wheel is currently level. Then we print summary. So now this is our summary. You see? Zoom in. So you see now the cross caster is 28, 0 degrees,
26 minutes.
But we said we needed an average of 0 degrees, 25 minutes. And now we have 26, that's fine. So if you check at the cross camber, it is the difference between the camber on the left and the camber on the right. So if you take this difference, negative 12 minutes, and
Subtract.
you subtract 10 minutes, it will give you negative 22 minutes. That one is fine. So cross caster, it is the difference between the caster on the right and the caster on the left. When ordered exactly. So that difference, this one, that one is good. So now what we want to do, we need to adjust this toe. We said that this toe, we need to make it as close as possible to 0. That's our last step. So now we come, and you can also view, even if you look at the physical appearance of this wheel, look at it. You can see now this wheel is aligned. When you come to this, look at it. It's good, it's aligned.
Yeah.
So now let's go and adjust our toe. So our toe, we said it should be closer to 0. It's closer to 0 as possible. So now just the left side. So should make sure it's closer to 0. Then is good. Do the printing. So you say the current wheel is level. Then you print summary. So this is your summary, it's fine. So you say print.
And you are done with alignment. Right?
It's printing. So as we wait for the printout, let us